Hello and welcome to Preston Audi. My name's Charlotte and today we'll be taking around this approved used Audi A1 Sportback, complemented in the modernised metallic Navarra Blue paintwork. Housing your petrol engine, manual transmission and delivering 95 PS, it is an ideal city runaround, all perfect as a first car. With plenty of top features including enhanced visibility with your LED headlights, 16-inch alloy wheels, and for further protection your parking sensors and even power folding wing mirrors. The boot offers plenty of space for all of your daily essentials, whilst the cloth upholstery offers comfort all round with of course your fitted ISOFIX points to assist with any car seats. Stepping into the front, you do have your leather multifunctional steering wheel, central touch display screen, and again a stylish patterned cloth finish. Looking at the steering wheel in further detail, you do have an array of audio functions, including controls to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying all of your vital driving data, audio and Bluetooth connectivity, with the added protection of your speed limiter and cruise control. Moving across, you do have a similar access, again with a wide selection of audio, Bluetooth connectivity, and of course your on-screen vital driving data. You do also have your driving assistance features for further safety once again, alongside the activation of your rear sensors when you are manoeuvring. This is followed just below by your manual air conditioning controls, handy power outlets and central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.